Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science was established in 1999 under the reign of Sri S.N.S. Charitable Trust. The trust was established in the year 1997. The trustees, with rich experience and wide knowledge in industry, medicine, and higher education, dedicate themselves to work for the development of the society. For 23 years, SNS has set the standard of excellence as a renowned institution in the field of education. The Department of Commerce with Computer Application was started in the year 2000-2001. The department is not only the biggest department of the college but also the biggest among the contemporaries in other colleges. Courses offered: BCom CA 3 sections, MCom CA 1 section, MPhil and PhD part-time and full-time. The focus of the program is to inculcate the theoretical frontiers of commerce embedded with its computer application.
The Department of Commerce with Computer Application of the college has been conducting the course for CMA Foundation. The students who have passed out this foundation course, now they are pursuing the intermediate course.
And in our SNS institution, we are following design thinking based curriculum.
We have signed MOU with the BCom CA department. This curriculum is very helpful for the students in placement and also to be as an entrepreneur.
The department has organized plethora of activities such as international conference, seminars, workshops, guest lectures, webinars on wide range of topics, trade fair, intra and interdepartmental competitions.
The department is encouraging and motivating students to involve in social activities like conducting dental camps, serving the orphanage, and conducting rally for the road safety.
The department has convened students empowering and capacity building activities like industrial visits, outbound programs, extension activities to inculcate social and life skills. The department has conducted Freshers' Day, Pongal celebration, Teachers' Day, Farewell Day and alumni meets.
In our college, there are many placement opportunities that are set before the students according to the skill and knowledge, which is cooperated with many multinational companies. Students has to make use of it.
That I'm part of our SNS institution, and here the faculty members and department motivated me a lot in higher studies. Now I'm currently pursuing my MBA in same institution. Thank you.
In sports arena, the department excelled by claiming several prizes and trophies in various competitions organized at college and state levels. The institution has established extensive commuting facilities in 23 different routes encircling 3 districts for the safe and secure travel of the students from their residence to the college campus.
SNS institution is the best place to shape our career. It have also been a wonderful place where I shaped my career.
The department successfully coordinated with the college in conducting induction program, college day, sports day and graduation day. For admission, visit www.snsgroups.com or contact 75300 93725.